Okay, a very short video just to celebrate my 100,000 subs. Something I never thought I'd get. I do this as a hobby, it's not a job, and I just never thought it would happen. But it has. So, there's hope for everybody. So it's a massive thanks to all of you, every single one of you who have stuck by me and made this possible. I have another thanks, or two other thanks actually, but to the same person. Perry Merritt from SW Dweeb. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. He's become quite a good friend over the years. We email, we chat. He's over in Denver. He's been over to see me. Anyway, we were chatting one evening about me reaching this 100,000, and I said, typical, it's going to be right in the middle of the night. I'm sure it is. I'll never get to see it. So what he did, he set up a little gizmo because his day job is in IT. So he set up this thing, I've no idea how it worked, and it took a snapshot of my channel every, I think it was every 30 seconds, and it captured the subs going up and up and up and up until finally they clicked over to the 100,000, and he sent me the little video. So thanks, Perry, that's something I really appreciate. I would never have seen it otherwise, and it's, to me it was something special. To everyone else it's nothing, but there you go. And secondly to Perry, because he is so good at his casting, he made me this little anvil based on his own Peter Wright anvil. Got my crest, logo, touch mark, whatever you like to call it, on one side, and then the 100,000 on the other side. Now this is virtually as it came out the mould. All he's done is polished the top and obviously taken off the bits, I don't know what they call them, sprues or whatever it is, that where it was filled from. But other than that, it's not been touched. And as you can see, that's a fantastic casting. So if you want to find someone who, or if you're slightly interested or at all in casting, this is your man, because this is the results he gets. You know, he's not one of these that pours metal and then grinds it to the shape he wants. This is how it comes out the cast. So there you go. So thanks, Perry. That's another one I owe you. I must be racking them up by now. I really appreciate that. Absolutely spot on. I wonder if you'll have enough room for another naught on there when it gets there. I wish. So there you go. Thank you to everybody out there. And interestingly, before I go, of my views on my channel, only 6.6% of them come from subscribers, which is interesting. So you imagine how many other people out there must be watching my channel that aren't subscribed. So 93-ish% of my views come from people that aren't subscribed. Don't know how that works. Anyway, something to ponder on. I hope you'll continue to watch my videos, continue to be loyal, and continue to hit the subscribe and like buttons, and let's see if we can get us to 200,000. So thanks very much. We'll catch you on the next one.